Right now, you believe there's distance between you and this screen. You believe the room around you has depth. You believe space is something real, something fundamental. But what if that's the illusion? What if the distance between you and everything you see is not part of reality's foundation, but something reality creates? Because some of the deepest discoveries in modern physics are pointing toward a possibility that sounds impossible. Space itself may not be fundamental. For most of human history, space seemed obvious. Objects exist somewhere, planets move through it, galaxies are separated by unimaginable distances. Space was the stage upon which reality unfolded. At least, that's what we thought. Then physicists found something hidden inside black holes that forced them to ask a disturbing question. What if the stage itself isn't real in the way we imagine? Black holes are where our best theories collide. Einstein's theory of gravity predicts that anything crossing the event horizon becomes trapped. But quantum mechanics insists that information cannot simply disappear from the universe. Both theories are extraordinarily successful, yet here they seem to contradict each other. Physics had encountered a problem with no obvious solution. Then came an even stranger discovery. The information associated with a black hole appears to scale with the area of its surface, not the volume inside it. That may sound technical, but its implication is profound. Imagine discovering that a library's storage capacity depends not on the size of the building, but only on the area of its walls. That's essentially what physicists found, and it suggested that information and space might be connected in a way nobody expected. The deeper researchers looked, the stranger the picture became. What if the information describing a region of space doesn't need to exist throughout the entire region? What if it can be represented on a lower dimensional boundary? This idea became known as the holographic principle, not because physicists think we're living inside a giant projection, but because holograms reveal something remarkable. A flat surface can encode information that appears three-dimensional. And according to some theoretical frameworks, our universe may operate in a surprisingly similar way, which leads to an uncomfortable possibility. The depth of the room around you, the distance between Earth and the Moon, even the space separating you from this screen, may not be fundamental features of reality. They may emerge from something deeper, something informational, something we still don't fully understand. Then, in 1997, physicist Juan Maldacena uncovered one of the most important results in modern theoretical physics. He found a mathematical relationship showing that, under specific conditions, a universe with gravity can be equivalent to a lower dimensional description without gravity. Two completely different perspectives, one identical reality. That doesn't prove our universe is holographic, but it demonstrates something astonishing. A lower dimensional description can generate the same physical reality as a higher dimensional one. For physicists, this changed the conversation. The question was no longer whether such a thing was mathematically possible. The question became, could space itself be emerging from something deeper than space? Today, scientists have not proven that reality is a hologram. But black holes, quantum information theory, and modern research into quantum gravity continue to point toward the same possibility. Space may not be the foundation, it may be a consequence, an emergent feature of a deeper layer of reality that we cannot directly see. And if that's true, then everything you've experienced your entire life has been taking place inside something whose true nature remains hidden. So, here's the question. If everything you experience is information, what exactly is reality? A physical universe? A hologram? Or something even stranger? If space is not fundamental, if distance is not fundamental, if reality emerges from information, then what exactly are you experiencing right now? Not what's around you, not what's in front of you. What is the thing that's generating the experience of space in the first place? Leave your thoughts below. And if you enjoy exploring the deepest mysteries of existence, subscribe to Earth and Ether. Because the biggest mystery in the universe might be the one you're living inside right now.